Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Michael channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Michael. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We'll go slowly, clearly, and naturally.
That's right. We'll practice 100 daily routine English sentences together. These are simple sentences you can use every day, and we'll speak slowly so you can listen carefully and repeat after us.
So relax, take your time, and enjoy learning. Let's start improving your English step by step through real daily expressions.
Ready? Let's begin with the first one. 1. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
Good. Say it again, slowly.
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
2. I make my bed as soon as I get up.
I make my bed as soon as I get up.
Nice. Small habit, big difference. 3. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
4. I wash my face with cold water.
I wash my face with cold water.
I drink a glass of water first thing.
I drink a glass of water first thing.
Hydration is important. 6. I prepare a simple breakfast at home.
I prepare a simple breakfast at home.
What's your favorite quick breakfast?
I like toast with avocado.
I eat toast with avocado and an egg.
I eat toast with avocado and an egg.
8. I read the news for 10 minutes.
I read the news for 10 minutes.
I pack my bag before leaving the house.
I pack my bag before leaving the house.
I check my phone for messages.
I check my phone for messages.
11. I put on my shoes and coat.
I put on my shoes and coat.
12. I lock the door when I leave.
I lock the door when I leave.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I wait patiently for the bus.
I wait patiently for the bus.
I ride the bus to work.
I ride the bus to work.
I listen to music while I commute.
I listen to music while I commute.
I arrive at the office at 8:30.
I arrive at the office at 8:30.
18. I greet my coworkers every morning.
I greet my coworkers every morning.
19. I turn on my computer and check emails.
I turn on my computer and check emails.
20. I make a to-do list for the day.
I make a to-do list for the day.
Planning helps me focus.
21. I drink coffee while I work.
I drink coffee while I work.
22. I attend a short morning meeting.
I attend a short morning meeting.
23. I respond to urgent messages first.
I respond to urgent messages first.
24. I work on my most important task.
I work on my most important task.
25. I take a short break every hour.
I take a short break every hour.
Stretching helps.
26. I have lunch at noon with colleagues.
I have lunch at noon with colleagues.
27. I try to eat healthy meals.
I try to eat healthy meals.
28. I walk for 10 minutes after lunch.
I walk for 10 minutes after lunch.
29. I drink herbal tea in the afternoon.
I drink herbal tea in the afternoon.
30. I finish my work by 5 o'clock.
I finish my work by 5 o'clock.
31. I clean my desk before I leave.
I clean my desk before I leave.
32. I say goodbye to my coworkers.
I say goodbye to my coworkers.
33. I take the bus home in the evening.
I take the bus home in the evening.
34. I stop by the grocery store on my way.
I stop by the grocery store on my way.
35. I pick fresh vegetables and fruit.
I pick fresh vegetables and fruit.
36. I cook dinner for myself or my family.
I cook dinner for myself or my family.
37. I set the table before dinner.
I set the table before dinner.
38. I enjoy dinner with my family.
I enjoy dinner with my family.
39. I wash the dishes after eating.
I wash the dishes after eating.
I prepare clothes for the next day.
I prepare clothes for the next day.
41. I study English for 30 minutes.
I study English for 30 minutes.
That's our favorite sentence. Repeat it slowly.
I study English for 30 minutes.
42. I practice speaking aloud every evening.
I practice speaking aloud every evening.
I read a chapter from a book.
I read a chapter from a book.
44. I reply to personal messages at night.
I reply to personal messages at night.
45. I call my parents once a week.
I call my parents once a week.
I plan my weekend activities on Friday.
I plan my weekend activities on Friday.
47. I water the plants every other day.
I water the plants every other day.
48. I take out the trash on Tuesday.
I take out the trash on Tuesday.
49. I exercise 3 times a week.
I exercise 3 times a week.
50. I go to bed by 11 o'clock.
I go to bed by 11 o'clock.
Halfway there. Breathe, Michael. Want to repeat a short set?
Yes, let's repeat 5 from earlier.
Okay, 11 again. I put on my shoes and coat.
I put on my shoes and coat.
18 again. I greet my coworkers every morning.
I greet my coworkers every morning.
25 again. I take a short break every hour.
I take a short break every hour.
41. I study English for 30 minutes.
I study English for 30 minutes.
49 again. I exercise 3 times a week.
I exercise 3 times a week.
We believe in you. You can do this. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you all for joining us today on Mr. Michael Channel. Stay safe stay happy, and keep learning English every day.
See you next time, everyone. Bye, and happy learning.